Welcome to Unleash the Athlete. My name is James Leath. Do you keep a journal? You can call it a diary. You can call it story of your life, whatever it is. But do you remember what happened a few days ago? The thing that made you laugh, the lesson that you learned. Can you recall it? At the end of every year, that day after Christmas, I take out my journal, I take out my calendar, and I look through the entire year. And I guarantee that if you did the same thing, that you would see a lot of great stuff happened in your life. A lot of crap happened too. What I do is at the end of every day, I have a written journal and I'll write just one paragraph. It's not, dear diary, today no, it's not that. It'll be an inside joke that I had with somebody. It'll be something funny that happened that day or something awful that happened that day. Maybe a bad decision that I made that I'm going to learn from. And what happens is when I go back to June of 2020, I'll read something. I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot that I had lunch with that guy. That was a great conversation. I'm going to send him a text. It's something that I really want to encourage you to do and write it down. There's a lot of digital journals out there. I mean, I have a digital journal, and I guess Instagram is kind of a photograph journal, but you get a journal that you write down just a few lines every night. Something that you learned, maybe a goal that you have, a podcast you heard, a book passage that you read, something that just has a written record of your growth throughout time. I've been doing this for years. And a question I often get is, James, how do you have so much to talk about when I go up on stage and I tell stories and stuff? Well, I'm not the only one stories happen to. There's stories happen to you every single day. But there's so much noise. There's so much other stuff out there that it gets kind of pushed to the side. And so when you have it written down and you go back, I don't wait till the end of the year. Sometimes on a Sunday, I'll be reading something and I'll just open up my journal and I'll just look through the last couple of weeks. And there's things that I forgot that just happened a few weeks ago. I want you to get in the habit of doing this. If you're young, you will be so happy when you get older that you wrote down things that happened to you as you were growing up. You can improve yourself and you can find clues in looking in the past of what you've been through. Now, the future is not dictated by the past, but it definitely influences it. And all these questions that you have about life and about why you are the way you are can be found by looking at things that has happened to you. Looking at situations you've been in, the wins and losses, not just on the field, not just in the boardroom, but in life, in relationships. So start a journal. I've been keeping one for years, and it's one of the best habits that I have because I can go back and I can learn and be reminded that I need to learn about things that are going to help me be successful in the future. And I want to leave you with this. Your life is precious. It's unique. And it's worth remembering. So write that stuff down. And as you get older, have a record of how great you actually are. Have a wonderful day. And we'll talk to you tomorrow.